The country is going through a massive medical crisis due to a sharp rise in COVID-19 cases over the past few days. Indian armed forces have been instructed to assist the country in its fight against the pandemic. Deputy Chief of Integrated Defence Staff, Lieutenant General Madhuri Kanetkar, said that armed forces are instructed by Prime Minister Narendra Modi to help the country in the fight against COVID-19. Narendra Modi had earlier met Chief of Army Staff General M.M. Naravane and reviewed the Army's preparedness to assist in the fight against COVID-19.
They have reassured that the armed forces will help out and be in times of need, that we are part of the nation, and that is the direction that has come down to us. Get out and do as much as you can. So I think that is what the gist is. It is not just get out of not just your comfort zone, of even discomfort zone, and stretch yourself. So that is the motto with which we are trying to reach out to our teams which are working.
Lieutenant General Kanetkar said that the armed forces are together in the war against COVID-19.
We are all in this together, and in keeping with that, we are calling it Ko-Jeet. It means we are all getting together. The doctors, we decided we'll call it that we are in it together from the logistic point. So whether it's the Army, Navy or Air Force, all these three under the headquarter integrated defence staff are working as a synergistic force. The Army has provided these railway coaches, which normally BOMs we call them, which are used for transportation of military stuff. That was provided 14 such coaches for transport of oxygen, those tankers.
Soldiers who are trained in battlefield nursing assistants are helping doctors in looking after patients.
They've also given a lot of what we call the battlefield nursing assistants. They are soldiers who are trained, but they are now helping the doctors and paramedics in looking after patients.
The Army and IAF is assisting in transporting oxygen cylinders to hospitals.
Now this thing is, they've also provided almost 200 truck drivers which are taking these oxygens to places wherever they can. The Air Force has done n number of sorties, internal as well as external, bringing in your tankers, oxygen tankers from Singapore, Dubai. So all these foreign countries, they've brought it in, and after that they've used sorties. Last 2 days they've been clocking sorties to take them from one place to the other, empty tankers, then have them filled so that they can go everywhere.
The Indian Air Force aircraft is helping in transporting the oxygen as there is an acute shortage of medical oxygen due to a sharp rise in COVID-19 cases. On Friday, Defence Ministry tweeted saying armed forces were granted emergency financial powers to assist in the fight against COVID-19. India reported over 4 lakh fresh COVID-19 cases and 3,523 deaths in the past 24 hours. Hospitals are overburdened with patients and running short of medical oxygen and beds as the country is reporting over 3 lakh cases daily for the past 10 days.